get this party started, yo. Vámonos. Alright, I'm not feeling the background music, but it's not my radio. Karma wheels, Karma off-road wheels, going on a 97 Jeep Wrangler, 20x12, and 35-inch mud tires, Mile Kings, not affiliated, just a tire. Another install going on the motherfucking lack, yo. (2014) Ford Expedition relearn. Should beep. Good. Now we should get a beep from every wheel. Damn, yo, the price just went down. Price just went down. Deep discount.
Boom! Yesterday.
How much lower? How much lower the price?
I don't know.
2014 Ford Expedition. Massive Turbino 26s. Texting while driving like a beast. Ready. Los Angeles. What's up?
Damn, she sexy. Yeah, man.
Now you riding the motherfucking lack.
Yeah, man. Oh, that's all.
Stopping by Westside Auto. Checking out his scene over here. This guy thinks I'm gonna pay him right now. I can't ask for a loan, bro. I need to ask you for a loan so I can pay you for my repairs. Hey, can I borrow money to pay you?
Hell yeah. What you need?
But what's my bill?
I don't think I got that much.
Oh shit! That just backfired on me.
Damn!
Got the little bottle opener right quick for the pop, not beer. Bitch! Yee, got him!